So I'll be showing you how to link your Nintendo account to your Nintendo Switch user profile or user account. So what you want to do is simply go to settings. So just come here and go to settings. Under settings, scroll until you get to users and then move to your user, the profile picture, select that, and that's going to open your profile. And inside your profile is where you go down and select link Nintendo account and select that. So that's going to open the sign in page. And so what you want to do here is select sign in using email address or sign in ID. Okay, so select that. Now you're just signing in. You should have already created your account either on a mobile phone or a computer. You cannot create an account here, or rather you cannot create a Nintendo account here. You can only do it on another device with an actual browser. Here is just signing in to a pre-existing or an account that's already been created. So just go ahead and log in with your credentials, your email address and your password, and then tap on sign in. Now, of course, you're going to be asked for a verification code. So find it in your email and provide it. And then tap on verify. So it says this Nintendo account will be linked to this Nintendo Switch console. Tap on link. And then just wait, be patient. It says your Nintendo account was successfully linked. You can now enjoy the following features. Friend features, news about games and deals, Nintendo eShop, posting screenshots to social media, and all that stuff. So I'll just tap on OK. And that's about it. Okay. So that is basically how to sign in or how to link your Nintendo account to your Nintendo Switch user account. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.